What's happening, world? I'm just sitting right now on a 76-foot yacht, and I wanted to make this video all about quitting because, you know, this morning I woke up and the first thing that came to my mind is, why would people consider quitting? Why? Like, why would you ever think about quitting? I mean, you know, the reason why people don't take you serious is because you start things and you don't ever finish it. Like, you start a hobby, you start a business, you start a job, but you never ever finish. You know, the rate of, you know, right now as we speak, the rate of people failing in university and quitting is crazy. It's ridiculously high. The amount of people that get married and, you know, divorced and separated is ridiculous. Why? Because people, we live in a microwave society. People want to put things in the microwave for about 2 to 5 minutes and let it heat up. You want to, you know, put your efforts in the microwave for about 2 to 5 minutes and heat it up and become wealthy overnight. And, you know, if you don't succeed, you quit. That's why people don't take you serious. Well, here's the deal. You know, at the end of the day, being in the business world for about at least 6.5 to 7 years, I've seen people quit as we speak right now. One of my businesses, people are busy quitting right now. It's natural to quit. You know, quitters never win, winners never quit. I'm sure you've heard that quote before. Well, at the end of the day, why am I sitting on a yacht on a Monday morning making this video? Well, very simple. Because I want to show you what's possible if you don't quit. I want to show you what's possible if you stay the course. If you pay the price. See, if you pay the price will eventually pay you. You got to go through that journey. Everyone try to quit. I mean, if you've never tried quitting right now, if you've never wanted to quit, if you've never considered quitting in life, you've never lived, you've never done business. Every wealthy individual considered quitting some point of their life. You're going to go through that journey. You're going to go through that process. You might as well go through it right now. So, I mean, real quickly, whilst we've got one of my business partners here, I mean, have you ever thought about quitting before?
Yeah, so that's part of us, South Africans or anyone in the world. When things get tough, I mean, that's the first thing comes to mind. Just quit and start something else. Yeah. Because we can't get to that race. We can't. Some people, it's just in our minds that let's try something else.
How many kids do you have?
I've got 2 kids.
So he's got 2 kids, and I want you to understand that's the reason why he has not quit. He's a business owner. He did not quit because he understood if he quits, his kids will never eat. What hurts you? What hurts you? WHY, what's keeping you going? See, a few years ago, my grandfather got diagnosed with both kidney failures. And my grandfather was like my first dad. You know, I used to pick him up in the morning from his bed, put him in a wheel, take him out to the car, drive him to the hospital, put him in a wheelchair, take him up to the 4th floor and sit from 6 till 11 every single day to watch him get private dialysis. If you know people who get dialysis, they walk into the hospital, energized, pumped up, they walk out dehydrated. They drain the water, the fluids out of your body. Eventually you need dialysis 4 times a day, costing me a boatload of money. It kept me going. It pushed me harder. You want to quit. You need to quit. You have to quit. But why do you want to give up? Why? Because it's easy. It's simple. It's easy to quit. It's easier to quit than actually pay the price. So everyone lost at you when you quit. Everyone lost at you. I mean, as we speak right now, I can pull up my phone. People are probably trying to text me right now. They want me to validate the reason why they should quit in their dreams. Don't quit. I'm telling you right now, you deserve to win. We're all born with an able mind, able body, able soul. Go chase your dreams. Go win big. Don't compare yourself to other people's success. Don't compare yourself to, you know, your chapter 1 to other people's chapter 30, 40, etc. They've been running this race for years. You just brand new in the business world. You brand new in life, but you want to quit. Why do you want to quit? Notice I'm saying the word quit multiple times because you're going to quit right now. I'm telling you, someone's going to take you out the game. Number one reason why people quit is because of people's opinions. People dictate your future. They tell you what you should do. They've never achieved success before, but they will talk you out of achieving success. They want you on their level, the average level, average mentality. They want you to live below poverty. They don't want, I mean, the minute you start driving your dream cars, living in your dream homes, having a dream bank balance and living, you know, going out and eating at great restaurants, automatically you are abnormal. Automatically you're weird. Automatically you are hated. You start losing your friends if you don't quit. It's crazy. There's noises around you 24/7, 365. You need to stay focused, stay in your zone, or quit. Start a gym on the 1st of January. 14 days later, 80% of the world already quit. Start a hobby, they quit too. Stay focused, my friends. F-O-C-U-S. follow one course until successful. If you love the content that I've just shared with you right now, share this with your social media. Subscribe to my YouTube page, follow me on social media, and most importantly, take this link and share it with the world. I want to know from you why you do not quit. I want to see you succeeding, walking around the world knowing you're a winner. God bless. Thank you so much.
Whatever that fucking means.
I've thought about quitting many times, and then I realized I'm the captain of my own ship. I'm the pilot of my own plane. I steer this thing in the direction that I want to go into. You know, I gotta, accelerate whenever I need to, increase the speed. I'm following a navigation here on where I'm gonna go. I've got the end result. I know where I'm gonna go. I know how long it's gonna take me. And if you look at the navigation, there's always a route, and the route is always colored in like maybe red. It always says, how close I am from taking the next turn. It always says how long, what's my duration to my final destination. But here's the most important thing. You gotta understand this. I know where I'm going. Sometimes I'm gonna miss a turn. Sometimes it's gonna take me a bit longer. Sometimes I'm gonna go through some turbulence in a plane. Sometimes I'm gonna go through extra waves and current, higher current. And guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna, make my journey a bit longer than normal. But still, I'm focused. That's my haters. That's the family. That's the clock on the chessboard that's keeping it ticking. So I want you to understand. You steer your own ship. You need to control your own boat. Go take your life to the next level. Every single time I thought about quitting, you know what I focused on? I focused on everyone who told me that I won't succeed. Stay focused. Stay in your zone. You control it.
Nigga till these niggas start acting. Shoot a nigga like film.